That's his big jump.
I can't really see it. Marco.
Where is he?
Over there. All right, Marco, grab the leash, and then he'll go.
Oh, Mom, here!
Hold on.
Krista!
Don't stop him, Marco. No.
My turn!
No.